Hey guys! Aside from the formation of the moon, what can you say about the events that happened in the Precambrian Aeon at the geologic timescale?
The feeling of space and some motion, the evidence of life, and oxygenation of the atmosphere, I think. What else?
I think Precambrian Aeon is about 88% of the geologic timescale.
Well, based on our discussion earlier, the Precambrian Aeon has three eras: the Hadean, Archean, and Proterozoic.
Yes.
During the Hadean era, I guess there's no life form because the Earth is
Warm.
yeah. And during the Archean era, the sky was orange and the ocean was, I guess, it's color green because of the blue-green algae.
That's stromatolite.
Stromatolite.
Yes.
And during the Proterozoic, you remember?
The origin of eukaryotic cell?
Yeah, and there's
the appearance of
oxygenation.
The time of great changes?
Yes.
Guys, we can finish this.
We have 3 days before the deadline.
What do you mean we can't finish this? We have to.
Guys, it's getting late. Time to pack it up.
Hey, Krisan, get myself ready. Guys, I have here a video that can help us in our science project. Here, look.
Oh, wow.
Wait, is
Fascinating.
that a virus or something?
Oh, what virus?
Why can't you play it?
It's because it's getting... Check it out, Janmar.
Let me see.
Oh my god! What happened? Oh my god!
Oh gosh, my phone is not working. This place is different. Wait, where are the others?
I think it's from the virus. Carla, where's your phone?
Here.
Arrived in your destination? Guys, check this out.
What?
Arrived in your destination? What do you mean? Don't you tell me this is like a game, huh? I'm going to freak out.
What's the fun?
Hey, is there any information? Only arrive in your destination.
What the heck is happening?
I'm so confused. Where is this place?
No idea.
Guys, it's Tricia and Louis.
Good morning! I'm Luz.
And I'm Mike.
And we are Resistant Facilitators. And I'm your teacher from Paleozoic era. Our teacher? Huh? How could it be?
Wait, what? Paleozoic era?
Okay, it's getting weird.
Hey everyone, let's go inside.
I'm so confused. But whatever, let's just see.
Follow me. So, there are 3 eras in Phanerozoic era. These are Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. So we'll be discussing about Paleozoic. According to the researchers, the Paleozoic began with the Cambrian period, 53 million years best known for ushering in an explosion of life on Earth.
Whoa, explosion! What about that?
This Cambrian explosion included the evolution of arthropods. These are ancestors of today's insects and crustaceans, and chordates. These animals are with rudimentary spinal cords, and in this era is when Gondwana land was formed.
Also, in this era began the origin of amphibians, insects, and reptiles, and the early fishes started to develop and marine communities flourished.
So, how about the fossils?
Fossils are also found in layers of sedimentary rock.
Is that an earthworm?
That's not an earthworm. But by the way, did you know that worm came from invertebrate animals because it lacks spinal column or backbone. Did you know that invertebrates are abundant in the Ordovician period of this era?
According to researchers, the most known invertebrates that time was the trilobite. It is an armored arthropod that scuttled around the seafloor for about 270 million years before going extinct.
I bet John Mark, you know what trilobite is.
Well, it is like a seashell, but more complex than shell.
And in this period was the existence of ice age that formed glaciers.
After the Ordovician period, what comes next? Who could answer?
A Silurian period.
Very good. According to the researchers, it is when the jawless fish spread throughout the seas. But we can't find any of those jawless fish right now.
Because they evolved and formed to become the usual fishes existing at these present days. Sea levels rose again, creating shallow inland seas.
Based on their roots, who could simplify the overall implication of Silurian era? Anyone? Yes?
So it is the stabilization of the Earth's general climate. It's also from when the appearance of coral reefs as well as fishes, and also is a clear evidence of life on Earth.
Wow. Very good. You're really good at science, huh? And what is the third period of this era?
Devonian, miss.
Good. According to the researchers, this was the time when plants evolved, though the most likely did not have leaves or the vascular tissue that allows the modern plants to siphon the water and not.
According to a study released in 2009 in the Journal of Anatomy, at the same time, arthropods also exist. It includes the earliest ancestors of spider.
Based on most observation in the Devonian, the northern land masses continued merging, and they finally joined together into the supercontinent Euramerica. Gondwana land still existed, but the rest of the planet was ocean.
And what is the next period called? And what is this period?
Miss, the next period is called the Age of Amphibians. It is called the Carboniferous period that has two divisions, the Mississippian and the Pennsylvanian.
Answer the question, which came first, the chicken or the egg? Definitively.
Long before birds evolved, tetrapods began laying eggs on land for the first time during this period.
So, Miss, that bird over there came from tetrapods in Carboniferous period?
Exactly. Most creepily, this period was once called the Age of Cockroaches, for it was found all over the globe. And what is the last period in this era? And what is it all about?
The last period in this era is the Permian period. It is when the largest mass extinction recorded in the history of life on Earth happened.
Coral reefs flourished, providing shelter for fish and shelled creatures such as nautiloids and ammonoids.
By the last period of Paleozoic, Euramerica and Gondwanaland became one, forming perhaps the most famous supercontinent of them all, Pangaea.
The giant ocean surrounding Pangaea was called Panthalassa.
Wait, whose phone is that?
Wait, I'm going to check mine. It's not working.
Mine either. My battery is dead.
Well, I don't know.
Carla, check your phone. I think the virus messaged you again.
Wait! Wait guys, check this out. It says, go back to your tent for your next destination.
Interesting. It's sort of like a teleportation.
OMG guys, there's a time. Hurry up!
Julie, are you alright? Yeah. Wait, that's Triksha and Luis.
Wait, where are we?
What? We've been together at Paleozoic era. What?
What are you talking about?
I don't know what's happening. Where are the others?
During the tour in Paleozoic era, the two of you were the facilitators, right?
What? Facilitators?
Yes. And we are shocked that you and Luis are the facilitators for the Paleozoic. And also Miss Julian is there.
Wait, who are those? Chrisan and Ella?
Hello! We are your tour guides for today.
I am Alex.
And I am Ella, and we are from Mesozoic era.
Mesozoic?
Guys, here is the way. Come on.
Wait. Are you following them?
Well, yes.
Well, it's Ella and Chrisan.
What?
It's weird and... Guys, faster!
Are you really sure? Do we have to? Hey? Whoa!
Check this out.
Guys, what are these? Dinosaurs.
Plus points.
Wait, we are not actually going on a time machine, right? I mean, there are dinosaurs and I don't want to be their lunch.
What dinosaurs?
No, dear. Time machine don't exist yet. We are just going to introduce you what happened to the Mesozoic era. So I'm gonna introduce...
Wait! What's Pangea?
You're still dumb, bro. It's Pangea.
Okay.
Let's talk about Triassic period. For the first period in Mesozoic era, this is when the supercontinent Pangaea slowly started to break apart and suddenly the continents started their long drift. And as you can see, it was broken into two, the Laurasia and the Gondwana land.
Oh, that's Pangea.
So next, I'm going to present to you about the asteroid impact during the Mesozoic era.
Asteroid impact? You mean dinosaurs extinction?
Yes. Maybe he or she's gonna eat it first.
I bet it can't. I'm too chewy.
So during the Mesozoic era, there is an asteroid impact that made the dinosaurs extinct. So guys, do you know in what period does these dinosaurs become extinct?
Oh yes, it's in the Cretaceous period.
How?
How did you know?
I don't know.
You're right. So Ronnie, you're next.
So in the Triassic period, the reptiles and dinosaurs started to appear. Next up is the Jurassic period. The continents further broke apart. The rise of the dinosaurs began with a two-legged omnivorous called Iraptors.
Before we end our tour, let us have a little game.
So the game is quite easy, guys. You will just find Triassic period, Jurassic period, and Cretaceous period. Here. Ready? Get set? Go!
Let's find the John Mark. There, it could be here or maybe there. Hey John Mark, we found one! Jurassic. Yes. Let's go!
Guys, you also found one.
One last remaining. Come on, come on.
No, where are you?
Whoa! Guys! I found one! Another!
Come on, let's climb it. Look, it's there. Come on, hurry up.
Take a flag so you can climb it easier.
Almost there. Oh, I got it.
Wait, Mark! My phone just rang again. Let's go back to the tent. Luis, can you please hold my phone? I'm going to pee. What? Let's go, let's go.
What's wrong with you?
What just happened? I'm confused.
Where are we?
Wait, oh my
What
god.
are we wearing?
What? Ouch. Oh my gosh. We're here again. We were tour guides earlier.
Tour guides? What? What do you mean? What I remember, you were our facilitators from Paleozoic era.
Wait, where's Carla? Where's her phone?
Wait, I think she let me hold her phone. Here, guys, look.
Last destination.
What does that mean?
Last destination? Welcome, 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 students.
Miss?
Miss, we don't know what's happening. Can you help us? You know, this phone is like giving us direction and a tent. We are teleporting to different eras which we are really clueless about.
Listen, I'm the one who sent the video to you, and it contains a virus wherein you guys teleport from each eras. And now you're wondering why some of your classmates were the persons who facilitated in different eras? Well, the reason why I want each of you to participate is because all of you weren't listening in my class, and I wanted you to learn a lesson. So I'll ask you guys, what do you think is the last era in the Phanerozoic Aeon?
I think it's the Cenozoic period, miss.
Very good. So here are your classmates, John, Carla, and Juby for the next era.
Just wanna see you dancing slow motion. We could take
Hey
our
guys,
time.
are you ready?
For what? You're going to play.
What are we going to do? Hunger Games? Are you crazy? I did not sign up for this.
There's no killing here. You're just going to answer a question about Cenozoic era by group. Then you can go back in time.
There's a twist. You only have 3 wrong answers.
Okay, so I'm ready. Give me my costume.
Costume? Wow.
So guys, here are your maps and each station has their own question. Thank you.
Your costume and your magic glasses.
I already have mine.
Oh, Nana, look what you done started. Oh,
You have
Nana,
5 stations to go.
why you gotta act so naughty? Oh, Nana, I'm about to spend all this cash. Oh, kung wala ka na makabig.
Here is your question. The Cenozoic era is the most present of the 3 major subdivisions of the Phanerozoic era. It spans about 9 million years. This era is sometimes called the Age of Life, and this era could have been called the Age of Life or the Age of Existence. Yes,
65 million years ago, the age of mammals and reptiles.
you're wrong. 65 million years, the age of mammals and plants. Brilliant, that's correct.
Let's go! To the next station!
Welcome to the second station. Your question is, during this era, mammals dominated the angiosperm, the flowering plants with covers also became dominant. Birds and spread seeds. During this time, the grass bird, fostering the proliferation of herbivorous mammals. The Cenozoic era is divided into 3 periods: the Paleozoic, Neozoic, and the Quaternary period. Likewise, The college period is divided into 3 ends. What are these? Now I get to see the third station.
Yes! Go!
Welcome to your third station. Your question is, in Eocene epoch, ended up with a major extinction event called blank, while Oligocene epoch comes from the Greek word blank, meaning blank, and Gaius used, which refers to sparse extant form of pollen during this epoch.
Wait, I know all this is few, but I don't have any idea of extinction.
Oligos meaning few, and asteroid impact?
Nah, wrong answer.
Why? Is that included? I mean, I didn't even raise the flag.
But look, one of your members raised and I heard the answer. So what's your answer? I think the great break in continuity, oligos meaning few. And that's correct.
Yes! Next station, guys, let's go!
Go guys!
Welcome, welcome. You are now on the fourth station. So here's your question. While in Eugene period, it is divided into 2 epochs. The Miocene, which is characterized by bland climate, and the Paleocene, which is marked by a bland and more arid climate compared to the Miocene. Formal and color. Sure about it. Excellent! You got it right. Yes! Last station! Guys!
So, I think you answered all your questions, and this may help you for your project. It's getting late and the virus I made lasts only until noon. Go now inside the tent and you'll be alright.
Let's go!
Faster guys!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Oh no! Oh, where are we? Sorry, wrong destination. Wait, I'm going to operate this. Come back here.
What the field?
Guys, get in!
We should go back.
Get back!
Hurry up, hurry up.
Hey guys.
If you want to please don't make fun of us now. I know the whole word. Get excited, I'm going.
Have some thunder. We were discussing about the science game and we found sleeping.
We don't know what to do and we need it.
Oh yeah, about our science project. I had a dream about it. What's funny is Miss Jill was there.
Really?
Let's go see what happened.
Yes, I be your woman. Yes, I be your baby. Yes, I be whatever that you tell me when you're ready. Yes, I be your girl, forever your lady. You ain't never gotta worry, I'm down for you, baby. Best believe that when you need that, I'll provide that. You will always have it. I'll be on deck, keep it in check. When you need that, I'ma let you have it. Turn my drum like down did it.
Wala!
Wait to magsulo, wala to.
3, 2, 1. Ay, Diyos ko, video!
What's happening?
Yes, I do the cooking. Yes, I do the cleaning. Plus I keep the nana real sweet for your eating. Yes, you be the boss and yes, I be respecting whatever that you tell me, cause it's game you be spitting. Oh, best believe that when you need that,